How do we reuse deodorant bottles? Or you may run out of your own deodorant product and plan to pour your homemade deodorant into the bottle again. If you don't know how to quickly and effectively clean the deodorant bottle, you can check out the previous videos I posted. Now I will teach you. We wipe down the deodorant bottle that has been cleaned to ensure that the inside is in a dry state. Then take out the product we are going to replace. I have prepared it in advance. Pour the liquid directly from the filling port at the bottom of the bottle. Don't fill it completely. Then close the lid on the bottom and lift it up to shake out any air bubbles that may exist inside. Then put it in the refrigerator to cool for 3 to 5 hours before using it. In fact, it is very simple. I hope this video can help you and is useful. Welcome to click on my avatar to watch more interesting videos.